which the facility's
Welcome,
security
I'm
grid.
Scots Dragon, and this is part 13 of Ratchet & Clank.
Nice work, little buddy.
You did well, Clank.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
All right, let's head inside and find Drek.
Evil Zip. Enjoy
I hope you enjoy your tour, my passengers. I've even arranged a demonstration of the good doctor's latest product.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
It looks like the main office is up there.
Oh my. This assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
Why don't you upgrade your plasma striker? You won't regret it. That's one of our best sellers. Oh, nice! Nice one. Buzz blades are a personal favorite of mine.
To kill. You will not like Evil Zircon.
There's a fueling station behind that force field.
You go for the station. I'll cover you.
Hey!
Think you can flank that turret? Nice work. Let's move.
Mr. Zircon is born. Nanotech. Do you wish to take a nap too, Lombax?
Did you enjoy my Zircons? Don't worry, there are plenty more surprises ahead. Get ready.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Here we go.
You are not fit to fight Mr. Zircon. Too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Did no one warn you about
Oh
Mr.
dear, more of them.
Enemy down.
He's down. Warbots.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon is
All clear over here. Let's move. You made it. Now use the trespasser to access the refueling station.
Force field deactivated.
Okay, I refilled my jetpack.
Good. Let's secure the upper level and get into that office.
As you can see, we're at peak Warbot supply. It's the perfect time to break into new markets around the galaxy.
Mr. Zircon gives you annihilate. Annihilate. Death is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Like you could do with a good kill.
Ugh! Dragging his stupid force fields.
There's a security terminal on the opposite side of the room, across from the office. Get in there to shut down that force field.
More warbots coming our way.
Let's take out these warbots, then deactivate those lasers.
Mr. Zircon still here on speaking. Do you remember Mr. Zircon? These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
myself. Yep, lot of enemies. Too many, really. Get out of here, enemies! Yeah, I'm under a lot of heavy fire, so unfortunately I won't be able to assist. So, good luck.
Brax, we could use a hand here. Brax?
They're here! Take that, you lousy Sithanoids!
Great. Well, looks like it's all on us.
More of them, by the security room.
Mr. Zircon does not require bonus. His currency is pain.
And that's how our heroes bypass the most confounding puzzle in the galaxy.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Area secure. Let's move.
There is the security terminal. You must disable it.
You can all relax now. I'm finally here.
Goodbye, stupid ranger.
I'm okay.
You want to take this one?
It's time to be the Crowley. You dare
Enjoy the last minutes of your lives, Rangers. Wish I could stay and watch, but I've got to run. Toodles!
We can't let that slime ball get away. Keep shooting! It's working!
Your feeble weapons are stupid. It's time to meet the Zergons.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Your feeble weapons are stupid.
See the last, Mr. Zircon.
Yeah, the bigger they are. I'm gonna go investigate that office. Meet me there.
Ratchet, I dispatched your ship to the Drek Industries tarmac. We'll see you back on Karwan.
Oh, if I got something, I did it.
Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe and come back for more next time.